the best, the most important, the most useful, and the favorite. Let's see what the colors are up to. I am the most important color. No, I am the most important color. That's not true. Yes, it is. What is the problem with you two? She said she is the most important color and that is not true. No, you are not. Why did you say that? Why do you think that you are the most important color? Who, Mother Nature? I asked you a question. Why color green? Because I am the sign of life and hope. And look at you, Mother Nature. Your dress is green. Look around you. Come on. Take a look at the grasses and leaves. That's why I am the most important color. All of you are important and useful. She said you are only talking about the earth. But what color do you see in the sky? You see me. The sky gives space, peace and serenity. Without my peace, you would all be nothing. Oh, and look at Mother Nature. Her eyes are blue. We are not talking about me. Ha ha ha. That's not funny. Yes, you are also serious. Look at me. I am happy. So, I bring happiness and laughter into this world. Without me, there would be no fun. Who gives you warmth? The sun. And the sun is yellow. Ha ha ha. Oh, I forgot Mother Nature. Your earrings are golden. Oh my dear children, you should not be fighting about this. All of you are necessary. Excuse me, Mother Nature. I want to say something. You have nothing to say. Yeah. Yeah. Stay up. Oh, who are you? I didn't know you even existed. Ha ha ha. Shh. Let him talk. I am the color of health and strength. I carry the most important vitamins. Think of carrot, pumpkin, oranges and papayas. You are so boring. Maybe you are right. I don't hang around all the time. But when I fill the sky at sunrises or sunset, my beauty is so striking. Oh, Mother Nature, the orange blush you are wearing on your cheeks makes you look so beautiful and radiant. I can't think anymore. What is wrong with all of you? I am here. Calm down, Color. I am sorry, but I can't. Look at me. Blood is red. Life is blood. I am the color of bravery. I am the color of passion and love. But Mother Nature lips are red. May I say something? Sure, go ahead. Just make it short. I am the color of royalty and power. King, chief and princess have always chosen me. Chosen you? What do you do? I am the sign of authority and wisdom. People do not question me, they listen and obey. Sure, just like we do. Ha ha ha. All of you are being disrespectful. Not me, all become superficial. I represent that reflection. You need me for balance and contrast, for prayer and inner peace. You are wrong. We don't need you. It's your turn. Make them to understand.
All of you are being so foolish, fighting among yourselves, each trying to dominate the rest. Don't you know that you were each made for a special purpose, unique and different?
Sorry.
Now join hands with one another and come to me. From now on, when it rains, each of you will stretch across the sky in a great bow of color as a reminder that you can all live in peace.
Tell them what the rainbow means. I am a sign of hope for tomorrow. And so, whenever rain washes the earth, rainbow appears in the sky. It will remind all human beings love, peace, happiness, strength, and wisdom and reflection. People will always think of you. You will remind them to appreciate one another. That's why all of you are important. Come, let's enjoy.
1, 2, 3, let's go! So many colors way up high. So many colors touch the sky. So many colors you will see in a rainbow cheer. Now sing with me. Come on now. Red, green, yellow, blue. Orange, pink, purple too. Red, green, yellow, blue. Orange, pink, purple too. In a rainbow cheer, jump up